We've seen the European heat waves. Climate change was an absolute game changer. It has made the event 100 times more likely. We've looked at floods in the UK, where climate change made the event about 40% more likely.